the Mighty Patch, the hero. These are the 39 patches, the invisible. What is different about this? Tiny, invisible, and surprisingly powerful. These are the ultra thin matte, and they really do blend into your skin better than any other patch. You can wear them all day long during the day, even under makeup, and they don't peel and they don't slide. What is so special about these? They pull the impurities from the whitehead so fast, usually within a couple hours, no drying, and the skin is not really irritated. The design works quietly, reducing the swelling and the redness, which really does keep you from picking it. And these are the invisible ones, so you can wear it during the day. No awkward glare or stares. The Mighty Patch Invisible is the spot treatment that's effortless. No harsh creams, no shine, just clean healing. They're so ideal for teens or anyone with a surprise breakout. If you want a patch that works while you go about your day, these are the ones to keep on hand. Highly recommend.